to sign up for PrizePicks. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to sign up for PrizePicks account. So first of all, just head on to the PrizePicks website, and after that just click on sign up from the top right corner. And if the website doesn't open, that means you are blocked from PrizePicks website, because PrizePick isn't available in all the countries out there. So once you click on sign up, you have to complete the 5-step sign up process. So in the first step, you have to enter your email address. You can also enter a referral code. I don't have it, so I'm going to use what is coming by default. So just click on continue, and after that you have to mention your first name and your last name, and after that just click on continue. And here just mention your date of birth and click on continue again. Mention your address and click on continue. And here you have to create a password, and once you create a password, check the box for the terms and services of the PrizePicks. On the next page, you will be redirected to the next page where you have to verify your identity either through your passport or your driving license for complete the verification process. And after that, your PrizePicks account will be created. So this is how simple it is to sign up for PrizePicks. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. And I'll see you the next time.